I'm so glad here to invite now with me my student Nilima from, I think, 2013 batch. Welcome, Nilima. Teachers तो हमेशा बोलते हैं, तो अब आप बोलो.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. So glad to see you. Nilima is my student from 2013 batch, and Nilima, Brinda, Jeevana, these are the students who have done all their coaching with me. It was like, being so great to be with every student, pulling them from their place. And now, as a qualified chartered accountant, Nilima is practicing since years. And so glad to have you here. You give inputs to students who are at your place right now preparing for the upcoming inter exam. Over
Yes,
to you.
ma'am, sure. First of all, I'm very glad that I am your student, ma'am. So your conceptual way of teaching has helped me a lot. So that is why I was able to clear my IPCC in first attempt with exemption in almost all the subjects.
Almost no, that you should say she got exemption. In fact, if possible, I'll share that list. It's awesome. And exemption is not in 60s, it's all above 74 in costing, taxation, exemption in all the subjects, right? So you share your inputs and mindset. Continue.
Yes. Yeah. So the way you have taught the conceptual teaching and the booster test, the booster notes, and everything helped a lot on the day of the exam. The booster notes are quick revision on the day of the exam. So I suggest everyone to maintain the booster notes for each and every chapter, so that before going to exam also we can go through every concept of the chapter. So that is the main thing I suggest everyone. And also the test series which ma'am will conduct, please don't miss any of them. Those are like what we can say, the mistakes which you do, you can rectify in here only.
Yes.
So that you will not make the mistakes in the final exams. They will be the stepping stones for you. So please don't miss any of the test series which ma'am is going to conduct. And one more thing is which ma'am used to tell is, once the concept is taught on a day, you should revise it within 24 hours. So that so that it gets into your mind very quickly. So that is the very basic thing which I am following till now. Whenever I read a concept, I will revise it within 24 hours. That is the best thing. Please do follow that one.
Great. Now see this, I have forgotten, you have reminded. Good. It is my teachers who have told me that, when you revise the concept within 24 hours, it's like how you watch a movie and agle 24 hours, those scenes, those dressing, those dialogues are there. That's the way learning of any teacher. It echoes in your ears for 24 hours. So within that time, and these students are doing like this fast track batch with me. So on the same day, they revise nothing like that. Thank you so much. Great inputs, Nilima, from you. Let me tell you, dear students, she's qualified since years. I think, when did you become CA in the year?
2017.
Oh, 2017. Did inter in 13, then internship, then final, married, and now blessed with two beautiful daughters. So it's another level of feeling. I always say I'm a mom first and then ma'am for all my students also.
Sure.
So God bless you. Do super well. And thank you so much for giving these three tips to all the students. Dear students, take best benefit of all this. And seriously, the mindset and directly you hit the exam and there you do scratching and mistake. All that will be rectified if you write chapter-wise exams, right? Thank you, Nilima. Thank you so much. Yes. Anything else you wanted to?
No, thank you.
Thank you so much for being here with me. And it's an awesome feeling of being a part of your story. since 2013. God bless you. God bless you. Bye bye.
All the best, ma'am.
Yeah.